So we're very well known for the amount of Land Rover Defenders we sell, and whenever we get a white one in, especially with a black pack, it sells even quicker than the rest. This is a great example of one. This is a Defender 110 X-Dynamic SE D250, and it's got some really nice options on it. It's only done 12,000 miles, and it's a 72 plate. You've got manufacturer one until 2025, so bear that in mind. You've got ultimate peace of mind when it comes to that. The black pack is a full black pack, so you've got grille front, bumper accents, badges. It's also got the bonnet decals on this one, so the 110 sticker decal on there. Black roof, mirrors. It's also got the side steps, and on the topic of roof, this one has the full sliding panoramic sunroof, which you don't see on all of them. Satin grey alloy wheels, which is a 20-inch alloy, so really gives it that nice look. And then you'll also notice around the wheel arch, you've got those gloss black accents as well. For me, the black styling pack or the black pack is a must, but on the white, it just stands out 10 times better. Fixed side steps again. For me, this is the ultimate family vehicle because there's plenty of space in them, good ride height, but those fixed side steps do come in handy. And then you've got all the features that you would see on an SE. This particular one has adaptive air suspension, which is a huge selling point, even more so when it has the tow bar on the back. But I'll jump in and start it up and you'll see some real features on this. So electric seats, leather seats, and they're also heated. Fixed size, like I mentioned, even for someone my size, it comes in handy. Meridian sound system, just over 12,000 miles, like I mentioned. This display for me is just really straightforward. Your heated seats are all controlled from here. The adaptive air suspension, like I mentioned, so big selling point on this particular one. In reverse, obviously, you've got your aerial view, 360, and then there's a towing mode as well, which does help if you are going to be using this for a caravan, etc. Sliding sunroof, like I mentioned, so it really does lighten up the full cabin, and that gives you plenty more air, plenty more space in there. These Defenders for me are just a great family car. I've got one at the minute. Good height, plenty of visibility, there's space all over them, so if you're travelling with kids or anything like that, there's just cubby holes, cup holders everywhere, USB chargers, everything that you would want in a family SUV, but these just have a really cool look about them. There isn't a car that really looks like a Defender, and I think that's why we sell just as many of them. Then you've got the practicality side of it, so yes, plenty of space when you're getting in and out the back, so have a look at those rear seats. There's even a grab handle there to get in if you needed to for someone slightly smaller. Isofix points as well. Again, another safety issue. This one has front and rear mud flaps, which a lot of our customers ask to put on for them. And then you've also got a full-size spare as well. Huge selling point on this one, especially for myself, is an electric deployable tow bar. So that one is deployed already. Literally is controlled from the button at the side. And you can also control the adaptive air suspension. So if you are going to use this as a family leisure vehicle, this is the ideal car if you're going for a weekend in the caravan, horse box, whatever it is. Plenty of space for the kids, huge boot to travel any luggage, and then there's a tow bar already on it at a huge saving of cost. So this car really looks the part, and it is the part. It's a 12,000 mile, well maintained, great looking Defender 110 with the right options on it. So if you've been searching for one, we're most likely to have it, so please contact myself. This will go quick, and I look forward to speaking to you.